Alright, time for the not so fun part about going riding, the cleaning process, which I seriously messed up. Usually we like to go through water at the end of the night, but as you can see, we kind of just left abruptly, as you can tell by the end of that last video. So yeah, I'm about to pay for it today. So let's get into it. So I've been using this Booty Juice stuff for quite a few years now. I've used other alternatives and stuff that they sell, and it all works pretty good, but I always resort back to this because it's just easy access to get and you don't have to order anything online. So, but yeah, basically just cheapest laundry detergent you can get and some degreaser, which I got both these at my dollar store. And most of the time I put them in a little sprayer like this, but these things are shitty sometimes. So we're gonna try it out one of these. Got my foam cannon, the mixture of both of those and some water, and we'll see how this works. But there it is. This side's done. Got all the majority of the stuff off. Like I said, it looks pretty clean on camera, but I still need to detail it and all that stuff. But yeah, just get it wet, spray that Booty Juice on there, let it soak about 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. This side's pretty much done, as good as it's gonna get. I might do one more pass on the tire just to get these stains out, but Yep, this is just spraying on and spraying off. And I still gotta do this side, so. Plastics aren't too bad. Well, yeah, there's some stains. It's hard to tell in the sun, but tires are covered still, so. Not too bad. This side only took me an hour, so hopefully their side will be the same, and then I'll be done.
A few moments later.
Come bite your ass. Yeah, that's him.
He's my friend.
It's about to be Bush's snack.
Bushy.
Bush.
Bush.
Bush. Yeah. Oh, shit.
No, I don't really want him to bite it. No, Bush. Get him inside. Oh, he bit the shit out of me.
That's what they do.
Get him inside.
Bush.